Okay, we've used our belt sander to round it down. So we've got a pretty good shape to it like there. We have to take some out in here so we can, it'll close up over the teeth. So we'll take that out in there, then the lips will touch. We'll use our Dremel tool here to cut this out. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Got any questions, feel free to put them in my comment section and I'll get back to you. You can see we've cut this out in here. So now our mouth will close up. I need to sand it down a little bit more. You can see we've taken it out in there. So you just got to keep working with it till you get it to close the way you want it to. There, now the lips are touching. And that's what I want with this. Thanks for watching. Now we're going to just take our sander, we're going to even this up in here and sand it down. And then we'll be back.